Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys and Hunting Cars Online. Today we have the all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder Return to the Rugged. Well, we're going to have to hunt up some trim options and deals and see just how rugged this thing is. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, welcome back, and so it looks like we have all of the different options. We have the two-wheel drive S, four-wheel drive S, SV, SL, and Platinum. I think is it front-wheel drive or is it rear-wheel drive? If it's rear-wheel drive, let's see here. Oh, that's don't need that. I'm not totally sure. I'm gonna guess it's front-wheel drive. But you never know. Sometimes it's different. But anyways, it looks fairly decent, fairly nice. Let's start building and pricing it here on the no thank you, on the SE or the S two-wheel drive version here. So paint. What do we have in colors? We have some beautiful deep ocean blue. Doesn't look bad. Gunmetal metallic. Nothing like gunmetal. Have some brilliant silver metallic. We have some glacier white. Let's see. We have interior options, charcoal cloth. We're gonna go with the. We're just gonna go with gunmetal right now. All right. So splash guards. Yes, please. Black rear bumper protector. What does that look like? Is it gonna pop up here? Kind of. Okay. Let's see. Clear hood protector. Okay, I think that's all we need in there. Styling. What do we have? Black V-Motion grill. Ooh, yep. Black mirror caps. Yes, please. Dark chrome body side moldings. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Alright, this is going very smoothly right now. Don't need any of that, but you do have some tints and other outdoor associated stuff, kind of going towards a going after Subaru there a little bit. Exterior ground lighting with running boards. Exterior lighting with out. Okay, we'll go with the running boards. Let me see. The following section will cause some changes. Running boards. Thank you. Not looking too shabby, I must say. Looking pretty good. Running boards already added. Thank you. Miscellaneous here. Nissan stainless steel license plate, Nissan valve stem, Nissan stainless steel plate frame, and da 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 da. Alright, so we don't need any of that, but with the options that we do have. Oh, let's see. Oh, we haven't even gotten to the interior. I'm sorry, I was rushing ahead of myself there. We have a lot more options to go with. Charcoal, that's already there. Weather protection. Couple floor mats, all season, please. Technology, what do we got in the technology group? Remote engine start, tablet holder, don't need any of that. Lighting, illuminated kick plates, yes please. Pass through light. Is there, let me see here. Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you for that picture, that is very helpful. Yeah, having the added good night. Having the added lighting in the interior is very helpful on long road trips. Don't see anything in there that we need. Alright, so we're going to go to towing here. Let's see, we have tow hitch receiver. Class 3. Trailer harness, thank you. Hitch ball mounts, class 3 hitch ball mount. And hey, we already got all that, might as well go ahead and get all of those as well, just so that we have them. Alright, thank you very much. Accessories here, what do we have? We have affiliate, Yokohama, Forte, clear hood protector, Okay, and summary please. Go away. And there we are. So we are at $38,069. We're looking at $709 a month. Or for leasing, $523 a month on all of the options that we have. Can we... Oh. That's a bit different. Looks good though. I like it. Looks very, very good. And so that's just an S model. And blacked out. That looks very, very nice. Okay, we're going to go back here. And we are going to switch over... What on earth? Apparently it wants me to shop Frontier now. Excuse me. I was not shopping Frontier. I was shopping Pathfinder. And I'd very much appreciate it if we can get the Frontier out of here. Thank you. Thank you. That was weird. Very, very weird. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's the boat that we were working on. Okay. SV heated front seats. So that's going to be basically the same. So this is the SL. So let's try out the SL here. See what options we have. Go away, please. Alrighty. Do we have any color changes? Oh, looks like we have two tones. I just want to see the colors. Thank you. Two-tone. Ooh, green. Oh boy. Man, these look good. These colors look really good. We have the scarlet. This is the green. Nice, that's nice. Deep ocean blue. We got the mocha almond pearl. Fair, not bad. Gunmetal, of course. We're gonna go with the two-tone green. Thank you very, very much. Let's see here. We'll get to the interior in a bit here. Splash guards, yes. Black rear bumper protection, yes. That should be good. I'm not liking the weird added amount of chrome. Satin chrome fog light finisher. Black V-motion grill. Please, I want the blackout. Thank you. Black Micaps. No. Don't take away. Don't take away my two-tone. Dark chrome. Body ceremonies. We had that. Okay, we're good. Black badging, please. Can we get this now? Let's see. Move. Okay, well, let me see what the black appearance package would do. Okay, that will not do what I would like it to do. So let me... Oh, okay. Well, we switched it up. Okay, SL Black Appearance Package. There we go. The only thing I don't like is this right here. This weird chrome bumper in the back. But the rest of it looks really good. I like it. Okay. So we will continue on with that. Storage. I don't think that's going to have anything in it that we need. Nope. Okay. Moving on. Lighting, exterior ground lighting with lighting package. I want the running boards. Thank you. Very nice. Looks good. Miscellaneous and nothing there. All right, so we go to the interior. And we have interior color options, light gray with leather. I'm not sure what this is going to do here. Let's see, two-tone. Okay, so we can't see the light gray because of the color option. Let me see, is there a way to look at it? No, okay. So we're going to keep the charcoal there. We're going to go with the Captain's Chairs, 4-piece, all season. Oh, let's see. There we go. So that just upgraded the interior for us. Thank you. Let me see. We'll check that out in a second. Technology, don't need that. Lighting, illuminated. Thank you. Pass-through light. Thank you. And interior lighting. Thank you. cargo. Let's see, cargo, all season cargo area and seatback protector. Yes. And we're good there. Let's see, safety and comfort, first aid, seatbelt extender, family travel cleanup kit, emergency. Don't need any of that. Thank you. Right, towing. Let's see, we already got. Ah, okay. So you can't get that with that. Okay. Well, thank you very much. So we can't get a towing kit. So well, let me see here. Okay, so we still have the hitch placement, so I can get my own. I can get my own towing stuff if needed. So that's nice to know. All right, packages. SL affiliated. I don't see anything in there. We're going to check back here slowly. I'm going to double check. Nope. Okay. So, summary. This is a very... Go away. This looks very nice. I'm liking that. It almost looks Acadia. Almost looks like a GMC Acadia, just profile-wise. It looks pretty good. So, that's 46,915. Honestly, for the look... Just the two-tone and the look by itself, that's not bad. But also the seating, that's really not that bad. That's pretty good. So thank you very much. That is nice. Let's go back here. We're going to try out the final trim. We're going to try out the Platinum. Let's go ahead and go with the four-wheel drive just to see if there's any option changes with the all-wheel drive there. Let's see. So we have about the same options going on. Looks like we have some brilliant silver metallic. We have some pearl white tri-coat. And there's the almond. We'll just go with a solid green there. Looks really good. Body protection. All the same options, so yes and yes. Thank you. There we go. Styling here. Satin chrome fog. What does that look like? Okay, so this is going to be like the. Well, yeah, we'll do this. We'll make this like the luxury all-wheel drive here. We'll get some roof bars up there. Actually, I don't really need the crossbars. I don't need crossbars. Alrighty, thank you. Let's see, lighting. Without running boards, with running boards. Thank you. Oh, lighting package with running boards. There we go. Thank you very much. And there's that. And the running boards are already there, so I don't know why I clicked on that. All those are the same options, so nothing has changed in there. Interior color. Ooh, hello. We have the charcoal. Can we move around? No, we cannot. We have the light gray. No, thank you. And the chestnut semi. No. No. We got people. We have dark green on the outside. This does not look good on the inside, so we are going with the charcoal, and then we have the light dark brown accents on the charcoal. That looks better than that. So there we go. That's how we roll. Alrighty, and then we have all season floor mats. Yes, please. We already have captain's chairs in the back, which is nice to see. Technology, tablet holders, so nothing really, not too much in the technology department. We definitely want all of our lighting options as per usual. There we go. Cargo, we definitely want to have the all season cargo seat back protection. Yep, there was nothing else back there that we needed. Safety and comfort. Seemed like there was one thing in here. Nope. Okay. So we're good on that. Alright, towing. Can we do towing? Can we do towing? We can add towing. Thank you. So now we have our luxury along with towing ability. So thank you very much for that. And that is it. So how much is the damage, other than a very other than a very beautiful looking vehicle? $52,514. Owie! That's kind of sore, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. Car looks good. It really does. I like the Pathfinder looks really good. Also, green, you can't beat green. So yeah, that is really nice. I like them. So what would I go with? Probably. I mean, really, the options were not that bad with the S, honestly. So I probably would just go with that. Also, you can. I forgot to read this, but you get in the V6 engine. With all of these, it appears. So you got the direct injection gasoline double overhead cam, 24 valves, 9-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. Ooh, hello. Can we read more? Standard Nissan safety shield, tri-zone automatic temperature control. Tri-zone. So that means all people all the way in the back can change the AC. Very nice. And flat reclining bench seat. Okay. Yeah, so I'd probably go with that, honestly. I mean, that pretty much has all the features that I would want. The leather seats, though, I mean, that's in the SL, so that's kind of nice. But, hey, I mean, if you can... so here's long game, guys. So this is long game. So this is... You get this for the cheaper amount, and then you wait until somebody crashes, one of the SL or the Platinums, and then you are able to get it for a cheap price and get the interior. That's long game. That's how you do that. So, yeah, that's probably what I would do, honestly. Just go with the S and then wait until the parts start hitting the market from crashed vehicles and, hey, upgrade if I needed to. But definitely start with the S and see how it went. But, yeah, I like that. That's a nice looking vehicle. Nice colors, nice options, and nice blackout trims, which I like. Looks good and... very, very cool. So Nissan, also, by the way, Nissan, great website. Great website. You did not fail. You were not Kia. And you have done a good job. You've done a good job. So, thank you for a great shopping and trimming out and building price experience. Definitely check it out. I like Pathfinder there. And the Nissan website is excellent. So, thank you very much. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And do not go to Kia because they have a terrible website. Go to Nissan or basically anybody else because that was a abysmal website over at Kia. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you here next time. Bye.